When we consider the importance of training and its potential benefits, it is no surprise that more and more companies are investing in learning. In the last decade, the training and development industry has exploded as some of the trends you see here have emerged. First and foremost, the number of learning hours that an employee invests in their job each year has been increasing for the last 20 years. In addition, the demand for specialized, customized training has also increased. Managers, professionals, and specific industries are now looking for training programs just for them. Technology based training has also become more popular in the last 20 years. Instructor led instruction is still the most popular, but more and more training programs are incorporating different types of technology to enhance the learning experience and to streamline the administration process. And finally, the amount of money that companies are spending on training and development programs has been increasing steadily for some time. In 2017, direct expenditures for training in the United States totaled more than $90 billion. As you can see from this brief snapshot, there are plenty of opportunities for professionals like you and I in the training and development field.